Hello everyone, it's Lisa here. Welcome back to Crochet with Lisa. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really cute granny square. It has a little rosebud in the middle of it. So this is crocheted using 3 different colors. And I have used a yarn that's a medium weight of 4 and a 5mm crochet hook. This square measures about 5 inches, or that would be just over 12.5 centimeters squared. I really hope you enjoy following along in this tutorial with me today. You find it easy to follow. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So we'll begin with the pink yarn. And we'll chain 2. Now in that first chain that we made, we're going to put 8 single crochets in there. So go back to that first chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're not going to join to our first single crochet. So we're going to work in our front loop only. So we can see our stitches right there, the V's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just in that front loop, we're going to do a single crochet in all of our front loops around. So single crochet in our first one, second one, so I've just finished my single crochet in all of my front loops only of my 8 single crochets, and so then I'm going to go in through both loops of that first one, and I'm just going to do a slip stitch, and we'll just fasten off. You can see our little rosebud started there. Now we have to find these back loops, and they're back here. We're going to be working in those. So with the green, you can join in any of these back loops. So we'll just yarn over, bring out a loop, we'll chain 3. Now in that third chain, we're going to do a double crochet in there. Then we're going to go back to that same space and just slip stitch. So that is our first little petal completed. Now we chain 2. We're going to skip our next stitch. We'll go to the next one. Just going to do a slip stitch in there. Chain 3. do our double crochet in the third chain from our hook, and then slip stitch back into that same space. Chain 2, so we'll skip our next stitch, slip stitch into your next stitch. So you've skipped one and slip stitch into the next one, chain 3, then we're going to do a double crochet in that third chain. Then we're going to slip stitch back into that same space, chain 2, we're going to skip a stitch and then we're going to slip stitch into our next one, chain 3, double crochet in that third chain, slip stitch into that same space. We're going to end with a chain 2, then we are going to just slip stitch into that starting space. Okay, so now we're just going to fasten off. So we're ready to join our next color. To join the white, we're going to choose one of these chain 2 spaces that we have between our petals. So we're going to start with a chain 6. Now this chain 6 counts as a double crochet and a chain 3. So right next to this we're going to put 3 more double crochets. We're going to come over to this chain 2 space. We're going to put 3 double crochets. Chain 3, 3 double crochets. Just go back to that little leaf and just pop it through. There we go. I'm going to go over here to this chain 2 space and do the same thing. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. In our next chain 2 space, do the same thing. So again, it's 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. So now we're back to our beginning space. We've already have our chain 6, which is a double crochet, chain 3. So we need to put 2 double crochets next to that. Then we're going to slip stitch to the top of our third chain. So 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to slip stitch into this chain 3 space. Chain 3. We're going to do a double crochet in that same space. Chain 3. And then put 2 more double crochets in that corner. So we're working in that same chain 3 space, which is our corner. So now we're going to double crochet in the top of all of our double crochets all the way over to this corner. So we have 6 there. Make sure you get all 6 of them. Sometimes you have to slide your work this way to get to the top of that first double crochet. Okay, so that's 6 double crochets after the corner 2. Now we're back in this corner. I'm going to put 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. I'm going to work my 6 double crochets along here. In this corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. So we'll continue that all the way around, and then I'll meet you back over here. So I'm at the end of this round. I've just finished my 6 double crochets across this side, back to the corner where I started with my first 2 double crochets. I'm just going to slip stitch to the top of this chain 3. Going to chain 3, double crochet on the top of the next double crochet down below. This brings me to the corner, so in the corner we're going to do the same thing. 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. So all the way around, just double crochet in the top of all your double crochets. When you get to the corner, do 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Then I'll meet you back here at the beginning of this round. So I've just finished this round, and we'll just finish it off with a slip stitch into the top of that first chain 3. If you want your square to be larger, you can just continue adding on to the white. So just following the same pattern we just did in that previous row, chaining 3 and then double crocheting on top of all the double crochets, making your corner, and in that way you can make your square larger. But for today, we're just going to snip the white, pull that through. I'm going to join the green. Whatever color you want to border it with. So I'm just going to choose any double crochet. Just going to join that. So I'm going to bring my hook through, pull back a loop, chain 1, and then single crochet in that same space. Now I'm just single crocheting in the top of each double crochet all the way around. When I get to the corner, I'm going to do 3 single crochets. Almost there, I'll show you. So in that chain 3 space, I'll just put 3 single crochets. and then continue with the with the single crochets on the top of each double crochet. So we'll just work that same pattern all the way around. I'll meet you back here at the beginning. Okay, so I'm back at the beginning and just going to slip stitch into the top of that first single crochet. Snip the yarn. We'll fasten it off by pulling it through. So we just have to weave in the ends, and then this square is finished. So I hope you enjoyed following along in this tutorial with me today. You found it easy to follow. You enjoy making this really cute little granny square. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and you can follow along with some of my other great projects. So have a great day and happy crocheting!